Hi kids, today I'm going to make a slice of watermelon and all I'm going to use is a scissors, a paper plate and some markers. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my paper plate in half and make sure to ask for assistance if you're unable to do this part. After that is done, I'm going to use my green marker to color around here. Now I'm going to use a red marker to color the other areas. So now I'm going to use the black marker to add some seeds to my watermelon. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thanks for watching and bye for now.